Kefir is a fermented milk beverage that offers several potential benefits for health. Here are some key benefits associated with kefir. Probiotics. Kefir is rich in beneficial bacteria and yeasts, known as probiotics. These probiotics can help support a healthy balance of gut bacteria and improve digestion. Digestive health. The probiotics in kefir may help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. They can also aid in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. Immune system support. Kefir contains compounds that can help enhance immune function, potentially reducing the risk of infections and promoting overall immune system health. Nutrient-rich. Kefir is a good source of essential nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. It also contains proteins and enzymes that contribute to overall nutrition. Lactose digestion. The fermentation process of kefir breaks down lactose, making it easier for lactose-intolerant individuals to tolerate compared to regular milk. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies suggest that kefir's probiotics and bioactive compounds may have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for reducing inflammation in the body. Bone health. The calcium and vitamin K2 found in kefir may support bone health and help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Weight management. Kefir's probiotics and protein content may help promote feelings of fullness and aid in weight management. Skin health. The probiotics and nutrients in kefir may contribute to healthier skin by improving gut health and reducing inflammation. Antimicrobial properties. Some research suggests that certain compounds in kefir may have antimicrobial properties, potentially helping to fight against harmful bacteria and pathogens. It's important to note that individual experiences may vary, and more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of kefir. As with any dietary change, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adding kefir or any new food to your diet.